Wow, that storm is really nasty. There's a tornado warning right now. Don't know if we're gonna have a live stream. Hopefully. We'll see what happens, but yuck. What a nasty, nasty, ooh. All right, hey guys. It's been storming here like crazy. We are still at a tornado watch, and Jonathan's telling us that there's a potential problem with water out where the cows have. There's a swale. So, don't know what that means, but hoping it's not bad. We're gonna go check it out. Jonathan knew that. They got a flat tire. Hi, Cody. You wanna ride with us? Something tells me we're getting stuck. I actually think this is a bad idea.
Turn on four-wheel drive. Yes.
Really?
Yes. Come on.
It's already on four-wheel drive. Oh yeah, we're getting stuck. Oh, do not attack me, cow. This cow's on a mission. Look at this. You know me. Hey, Stewie, come here. You know me. Do not fear. I'm on this crazy beast. Don't be afraid. I know there's been a lot of crazy weather. So what are we going to look at?
There's a waterfall.
I thought this was something dangerous. These cows, look at them. They took you seriously that there was danger. Hey, cow, come here. Firefly. Woo! Sorry. All right, Cody, you've been around cows your entire life.
Sure.
What's going on here? Because I don't know. I thought I was coming out here to rescue cows, but apparently they don't need rescuing.
No.
Well, you see they have legs that are long.
That one's bucking right behind you.
As long as it's not bucking at the back of my head, then we're all good.
You good? So, Jonathan, you called us out here to witness water rushing?
Yes.
Really?
Pretty.
That's very nice. I could go back to doing important things, but I'm glad I'm watching water rushing. Here it is. There it is, guys. The cows are thoroughly impressed. That one too. That one not so much. I don't know. Oh, you will regret it. These two are conspiring to throw me in the water.
I was not. I was talking him out of it.
You can try. You only get once.
Watch out for this.
On your mark. Set, go. Here we go. I'm gonna film it. He stuck it! Hey! Woohoo! High fives. You get, I think it's like $6. I have $6, I think. And here comes Mama. She just likes driving through the water. We have no idea. The cows are concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, the moral of this story is this is what happens when you live on a homestead and you're bored. Well, that guy over there, he's all being puffed up. I'm a little bit, I don't even know. You were planning on throwing me into the swale?
No, it wasn't me.
It was him.
No, don't lie.
Oh, I'm not lying.
You're lucky I actually like you, kid, so.
Oh, he's talking to me.
All right, Jonathan, what do you got here? Wow, you really had to pee.
Wait,
Dang, that's
more.
impressive. There's more. But wait, I have no socks. Boot number 2. All right, so by the way, you guys knew it rained like crazy here, but dang, this has happened in all of about 40 minutes.
Yeah, maybe an hour.
Maybe, but I mean, look at that. We're talking, oh geez, an inch there.
Yeah, an inch at the deepest part.
So, yay for bad drainage. All right, so we haven't seen the damage to the garden just yet.
No.
little bit concerned. Don't know how this is gonna go,
I don't know if I want to go and look.
but it's inevitable.
Yeah.
We'll, oh no. Okay. Well, to be honest, I am pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
I thought this was gonna be devastation.
Nah, it looks okay. It looks all right.
I mean, we obviously need a lot of weeding.
Well, and what's funny is it just got weeded. These weeds have popped up in the last couple of days.
All the tomatoes are there.
Yeah.
All your greens.
Yep. All the peppers. Our turnips are still going good. Our beans, the ones that did come up.
Behold, the poo man cometh. That's a load of crap if I ever saw one.
Yep. Gross. Come here, sweet girl. Hi, baby. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. I'll get those flies off of you. Come here, baby. Come here, Dottie. Come. Dottie, come. Did you get a dandelion? Huh? Come here, Dottie girl. Those flies off your eyes. That girl. Come. Come.
I'm telling you, Mama, we need to train her to be an attack cow.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Nobody'd come running around here. You sick the cow on them. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another tragedy averted. It could have been really bad. A lot of trees were down here all over when we were driving around, but we were blessed, and we are very, very grateful because there was a lot of damage that happened around here, especially more up toward where Will at the Weekend Homestead is. But we dodged a bullet. You know, the cows were okay. Fences were okay. The garden looks fine and doesn't look like we'll have to water for a while. So blessing in disguise. You guys have an amazing day.